Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your locked folder if locker.bat file gets deleted. So let's head over the folder to test it. So let's lock the folder, click Y, and then let's delete it. So the solution is click View, Show, and Hidden Items. Nothing's happened. So you need to also click Show and File Name extension. Also nothing happened. So head over to these 3 points right here. Click here, click Option, and go to the View tab. And then scroll down until you find Hide Protected Operating System File. Uncheck it, click Yes, Apply. Okay, so we got a folder right here, name it Control Panel, blah blah blah. So we need to rename this folder to our original folder. So Show More option and then rename it to Private. So double click and here is our deleted folder, as you can see. But if we need to restart all the process, so we need to create it again. Create a new document text. So open it, then repeat your password right here, STTPG. I'm gonna use STTPG as it's referred to our channel's name. Then save as locker. Make sure to name it .bat, and hit save. That's it. Here, delete this text file right here, and then go to delete this private folder right here too. Double click the locker file. See, that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I really appreciate your support, guys.